The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yus, which means unity or union. It is a true union of our will with the will of God. Lord Krishna says in Gita, Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam, which means yoga is the skill in action. Yoga is one of the orthodox systems of Indian philosophy, which was systematized by Patanjali. Yoga is a means of balancing our mind, body, and soul. In Indian thought, the supreme universal spirit Paramatma, of which individual human spirit Jivatma is a part. In this yogic system, Jivatma can be united to Paramatma, results moksha. In other words, union of individual consciousness with the universal consciousness. In Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna explains to Arjuna the meaning and importance of yoga. Patanjali, in his Yoga Sutras, describes yoga as yoga chitta vritti nirodha, means restraint of mental modifications. Swami Vivekananda says, yoga is the way to condense the process of evolution. Each and every soul is potentially divine, but the goal is to manifest the divinity within you by controlling nature internally or externally by doing karma yoga, bhakti yoga, jnana yoga or raja yoga. In general, based on ancient tradition, yoga is a complete lifestyle or the way of living. In this modern age, yoga has got tremendous importance in today's lifestyle. In ancient days, it was practiced by yogis, scholars, and saints. Controlling the mind is not so easy. This can be done through the practice of asana, pranayama, and meditation. Yoga is the science of right living and as such is intended to be incorporated in daily life. It works on all aspects of the person, the physical, mental, emotional, psychic, and spiritual. According to Sri Aurobindo, yoga elevates a man from the level of animal man to a divine man. Our today's lifestyle is supposed to keep not only good health but also a balanced, stress-free state of mind. Yoga is spreading rapidly and gaining popularity across the globe. Yoga is not just physical exercise, it includes principles and discipline in maintaining a healthy body, healthy mind. It incorporates the spiritual and mental aspects of a person to live peacefully and meet life's challenges. Yoga is not about self-improvement, it's all about self-acceptance. According to great Saint Patanjali, who is known as the father of yoga, so there is a complete yogic method called Ashtanga Yoga. It includes 8 steps of a comprehensive way of life: yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dhyana, dharana, and samadhi. Nowadays, some people who practice yoga have modified and promoted different types of yoga according to their perceptions. Ultimate goal is to reach objective of self transformation. The different types of yoga are as follows: Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Kriya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Purna Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Iyengar Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Mantra Yoga, Tantra Yoga, etc. Yoga is an ancient art that originated in India around 1,000 years ago. Yoga includes pranayama, which is one of the best breathing exercises. Yoga helps us to get a higher level of consciousness by gaining total control over the body and mind in all aspects, physically, mentally, socially, and intellectually. Meditation is another way to relax the mind. Throughout our daily activities, we get stress. Meditation helps to target nervous system through which stress can be reduced and controls heart functioning, creating a state of peace and calmness. It is an effective relaxation technique. Results boost in our positive mental states such as kindness, sympathy, calmness, tolerance, and energy. In a city culture, people are suffering from stress, anxiety, depression. They can be trained to do meditation. To conclude, one can turn to internal peace through meditation. It improves positive thinking and creative skills. These are some precautions to be taken while doing yoga. Always practice yoga in a proper sequence with empty stomach. The best time to practice is either early in the morning or late in the evening. Do not practice asanas or pranayamas without the guidance or supervision of a yoga master. Thank you.